Want to learn how to work with chunky glitters? Then keep on watching. Apply a layer of dip base to your entire nail. Dip the entire nail into the powder. Taking a cuticle pusher or something with a flat end, I am pushing the glitter away from the cuticle and the sidewalls. You can see here that the glitter is pretty chunky, and I am pressing it down ever so gently because the base is still wet and I don't want to disrupt the glitter. Now I dip my cuticle pusher in some acetone, and then I clean up my cuticle and my sidewall with the acetone. And what this does is the acetone helps even soften the powder a little bit more so that you can clean up your edges and your cuticle area. I'm applying a second layer of dip base, and then I'm going to dunk my entire nail into the powder. Again, the powder is still a little wet, so I'm ever so gently pressing down the glitters. And then I'm taking my cuticle pusher and cleaning up the sidewalls and the cuticle area. This is what we have so far, and the glitters are still not laying flat, but don't worry, here's what we're going to do next. Take a plastic baggie and then take some activator, and I have it here in a dispenser bottle. I'm going to drop a very generous layer of activator. The key here is to let the activator dry about 30 seconds or so before you take the baggie and then you press that on the glitter. If you find that your powder is still a little gummy to the touch, just wait for about 5 seconds and then try again. Now that the powder has pretty much set, but still a little soft to the touch, I'm going in with a little bit more force, and I'm bending the side edges so that the glitters can curve as well before it fully sets. I find that maintaining pressure all around the nail with the bag and just rubbing really helps the glitters lay flat. Here I'm showing you that there's a teeny tiny glitter right in the middle that is still sticking up, and I'm not quite satisfied, so I'm applying a little bit more activator and I'm applying firm pressure to just the middle of the nail so that the glitter lays flat. Now I'm feeling for smoothness and I'm happy. Before I clear cap, I'm going to file the edges so the glitters are not sticking out and the edges are smooth. I'm going a little heavier on the base here because I want to make sure that the base fills in all the little crevices in between all the glitters so that the dip powder can fill it in. Now I'm going to go in with the acetone and the cuticle pusher, and I'm just going to clean up the edges and the cuticle area. This next step is super important, so don't skip out on it. Make sure you take a stiff brush and really brush out the excess powder before you activate, otherwise your glitters will look foggy. I'm applying another generous layer of activator, and then I'm going to let my nail fully set before I go in and file. But while I'm at it, I'm just gonna take the opportunity to clean up my cuticle and my sidewalls one more time. Now you can file and shape and buff your nails to your heart's content. Before the next step, make sure you cleanse your nail. Apply a layer of activator and then wait 30 seconds. Then go in with 2 or 3 swipes of your first layer of top coat. Let that dry for about 30 seconds, then go in with your second layer of top coat, and then you're done. save if you found this helpful, like and follow for more.